So this is the first time in the history that 27 Rudraksh trees are planted in this area, because climatically this is not possible to plant them, and they are planted in cremation area. So they are the only Rudraksh, 27 Rudraksh in a cremation spot. See, all these are Rudraksh.
And are there special properties to the Rudraksh?
Well, they are supposed to be coming from the eyes of Shiva, so they carry a very holy vibration. Yes, and most of the Rudraksh in our trees are three faces. So three face means the representation of Dattatreya with three faces. Okay, I will give you one. I have not given it to you yet, so today I will give you. All these are Rudraksh 27. And this is our Shiva temple. We found a natural Shivling in Govardhan Hill. First time in the history of Govardhan Hill, a natural Shivling has been found, which we have installed exactly on the cremation spot of the late king of Bharatpur, Jaswant Singh. Okay, his period is supposed to be the golden period of Bharatpur dynasty. He was a great man. So this is his monument where he was cremated, and he made it very clear, especially that you build my monument in wood, a wooden structure, because he considered it as pure. So this is, it was maybe, he died in 1893, so maybe it was finished in 1894. So this is it.
So many people in the West,
Yes.
they spend so much time trying to make their lives happening, to get money, to get their basic needs, and yet, based on what you've told me, all of these things seem to just come to you. Now, how is it possible? How is it possible that someone in the West might apply this principle in their lives?
I will say, until unless you have received Guru Kripa, a direct blessing from a real Guru, nature will never support you. All these things are possible because when nature begins to support you, Mother will provide everything. But you will need to work very hard for it. You don't have to do business or to go for a job, but working hard to please nature is no easy thing. Okay? So these are all cremation areas for the kings, and in this area, this is their family. And this area, 6 kings from Bharatpur dynasty were cremated along with their queens and other family members. And this is a very sacred place, I will say, because this is the center of the Govardhan Hill where Krishna's queens were cremated, and then Bharatpur dynasty, 6 kings. I mean, it is amazing to see 6 kings cremated in one premises. So I will say it is my privilege to be here. It's a grace from Babaji, it's grace from my Guru, and grace from Shiva himself, and Govardhan Hill. He is considered as a living god in India. Okay?